Did you know that the secret to nonstop blooms might already be sitting in your kitchen? No need for expensive store-bought fertilizers. You can make your own powerful flower-boosting tonic in just minutes. This simple, all-natural formula nourishes your plants, encourages vibrant blooms, and strengthens stems. Perfect for roses, hibiscus, marigolds, and other flowering beauties. Here's what you'll need. 1 glass, 200 milliliters of lukewarm water. Helps everything dissolve and absorb better. 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt packed with magnesium. It fuels chlorophyll production and triggers more flower buds. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Helps balance soil pH and prevents fungal diseases. A few drops of fresh lemon juice. Unlocks minerals in the soil and boosts nutrient absorption. How to use it? Stir everything well until fully dissolved. Then pour it directly at the base of your flowering plants. Avoid the leaves. Repeat every 15 days and let nature take over. Within weeks, you'll notice stronger stems, richer green leaves, and most importantly, a burst of colorful blooms. It's simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. Like this video if you're all about natural garden care. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY plant hacks. Tell us in the comments, which plant will you try this tonic on first?